fucking fish. Yellowtail. 100 percentile. Just start casting, bro. They're in there somewhere.
Go, Bennett. You got a reel, buddy. Jump in. Your jig is, you gotta fix that jig. Hey, throw it out there, Bennett.
Don't hang a bird.
Bennett, throw it. Throw it. Throw it, Bennett. Bennett, throw your jig.
Don't hang a bird. Oh god, the pelicans are trying to get my jig.
Oh yeah, you don't want the bird eating
Look at
your
all this
jig.
bait fucking big hauling ass. Wow. Hey, don't throw it. Get this. You got this GoPro on?
Uh-huh.
Dude, that was gnarly. There was like, oh, bumped again! Damn it, come on! Oh, fucking yellow, it's chasing it right here!
Oh, it's right there.
Go,
it's right
go,
there.
Bennett.
I'm wheeling.
Dude, that yo-yo iron might be the ticket right now. I let that jig sink all the way.
I saw that one.
Yeah, there's two pretty nice ones. Oh, it's gonna pop right here. Right there!
Oh, look at it. Those are yellows.
They're yellows now, guys.
Oh!
Oh, fuck, there they are!
They're right here, Bennett.
Diane,
Yeah.
come here.
Bennett,
Okay.
come here.
I can't tap.
Left hand up there. Switch hands. Coming in, boys! Coming in hot! Hot round! Oh, right there! Dude, coming in the corner! Hot rail! Where are they? Oh, you're getting bit on the drop, dude! Holy shit! Oh, yeah, right here! Whoa, dude! Gustav Fergo! Hey, Chihuahua! Hey, Bennett! Drop down your yo-yo jig, you're bit, son!
Yeah, I got bit on the drop.
Hold on.
Fish your yo-yo.
Or I'm sorry, Diane, let's go across the other side of the boat. There you go, all the way over by Captain Jamie. Uh-oh.
Are you
I
on
got
me?
bit on the drop, dude. Oh. You guys need help?
Yep, we're tangled. Oh.
Can you try real quick?
I got you.
Are you still together?
Come on!
Oh, the needle's on!
You're on! Oh, keep it against the rail. Just like that.
Are we still together? Yeah, maybe a little bit. Not anymore.
Dude, I felt it on the drop down.
I'll meet you
It just went
over.
down. So my yo-yo. We're really
Oh,
close.
he's right there. You
Oh,
got a
no.
bass.
That's a big
Got
bass.
a big bass.
Here, bring it up here,
Holy
dude.
shit, that's the biggest
Here, put
spot
it
I've
up here
ever
to the
seen.
camera, Ken.
Dude, I got bit on the yo-yo, too. On the drop.
Bennett.
How's that thing feel, Diane?
Yeah.
Daddy's at color.
Oh!
Woo! Anybody want to stick this for
I'm
Daddy?
coming. Okay, let me get yours.
Yeah, that's a good bass.
Yeah. Now we're gonna keep this.
I thought I was.
Bennett, what?
Okay, Diane's at color.
Let's go to the other side first. Just keep it right there, Diane.
Here, I got the Lucidity.
Diane, look up here. Oh, can you?
All right, aim your tip towards the bow here.
Wind.
There you go. Okay, you can put it. Put your thumb on it. Put your thumb on the spool.
in the bag.
Now take it out of here. Pop that thing back.
Here.
Let the line off slightly with your thumb. Put your tip way in there, way in there, way in there, way in there.
Here, hold it up right
Put it
here,
back in
James.
now.
You and Diane when you get it.
Hell yeah! Had to go real far today. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little more on.
Okay. Who's doing video? We can...
Woo! Fork-tail Diaries. Hold it up, baby.
Yeah, let's get a little couple shot.
Okay.
Fork-tail Diaries.
Hey,
Dude, that shit was up pretty good there.
Surprised we didn't hang more.
Yeah, maybe that's what you.
Where's your fish?
I got bummed on it up, yeah.
Where's your fish?
Here, we're supposed to be taking a picture, TK.
Oh.
Oh. I'm just doing video. We'll
I'm about
get
to
a
throw this
screen
damn thing in the bait tank.
Alright.
Look at her! What a badass angler!
Here, I got a phone right here too. Let me get a picture of you down here.